Alright, what's up guys? So, a little bit different. We're not working on the 66 today, we're actually working on a 2015 2500 Silverado. It's throwing a code, cylinder 7 misfire, kind of narrowed it down to spark plug, coil pack, you know, the basics of it. So basically, in order to do this job, I'm just gonna be removing the wheel well, the tires, and then I have access to each individual spark plug and coil pack, so it's all in arm's reach. You guys can do it over the top, but to be honest, I think this is just a lot easier. So, you know, kind of skip ahead. Got it jacked, secured, wheel well out, and yeah, we're basically going to be doing the spark plug. So here's this one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this one is not looking that great, and here's the brand new one. So yeah, super easy job, don't need too much with it, but we'll continue getting this wrapped up. I also got my super duper extension. Let's go right in there. So I got the coil packs side by side. So on these trucks, they do run two different styles for the 6.0. They're like a more square version, and I guess this one would be the cylinder version. But you just want to double check when you do this job just to take a photo of the top. They're pretty obvious in difference. One's flat square and this one's a bit bulky. So just double check that when you guys are buying coil packs or anything like that. But it's a 10 mil to pop them off, and then a short tab, lift style tab, comes up, and you can do everything from the bottom. So that way you're not hunched over breaking your back and stuff. So on bank one, it's 1357, and looks like fifth cylinder, the fifth cylinder, that steering column's in the way. So you're gonna have to use a short extension, but it's fairly accessible right there. Cylinder 7 definitely looks pretty bad. It's rusted compared to cylinder 5. So maybe that, yeah, that's why you guys do a tune-up every time. Change your spark plugs out. Manufacturer recommended or whenever, but yeah, cylinder 7 looks rough. You guys don't have to put anti-seize on these newer bodies. I believe they're like, these threads are plated with something, but you don't need anti-seize for this. I mean, to each their own, but I'm not putting any on. Like butter on toast, buddy. She fits. Now for number 3. Never use power tools to change your spark plugs, guys. Don't break them with it. I'm only using it because I already broke it by hand, and when I go to install, I do it by hand. So unless you know what you're doing, don't use power tools to change your spark plugs. Comprende? And also, these spark plugs are pre-gapped, so if you buy the ones that need to be gapped, make sure you gap them to spec. I have no idea what that is, but you guys are capable. Dude, am I retarded? What the hell? I'm over here looking for a new spark plug. I have it in my hand the entire time. Yeah, always thread your spark plugs by hand. Get her in the hole. And just lace it. Give her the good old finger blast. And then when you go to tighten it, I have forearms that are certified torque wrenches. If you don't have forearms like mine, use a torque wrench. It would be best for you guys. So we got a cylinder 7 misfire, but let's see if I can get it on camera. Looks like cylinder 1 is missing its tip versus the other ones. Anyways, you guys get what the hell I'm talking about. That's no bueno. Make sure all are good. Coil pack is good, plugged in. Everything's good to go, and that's it. This is the reverse order, but it's the same concept taking it off for your wheel well. You got several tabs around here that you need to pop off. Once they're off, you got to get the tabs that are inside of here and kind of work it, pull it from the back and push inward like that, and then reverse it. We're going to use the scooping method. So we're going to put the wheel well inside like this, and we're going to work it back into place. It's fucking, oh look, it's caught right there. Yeah, take this molding off. It's going to save you time and money. Fucking thing.
That's about the tires.
Right? Yeah.
Great uncle's name was Mitchell.
No.
They call you Manchico back in.
Hell no. I don't like that guy.
I don't like that guy. You know him like that?
Apparently.